So in this eye, look at a few things here. You see that dark ring? That's the skin ring. Indicates your thyroid is weak. Your kidneys are also weak. Kidney filtration is weak. You're not expelling waste from the kidneys properly, so the skin takes the burden. You see that purple hue in the archer people? That's potential cataract, eye issues. Look at the purple going around, the purple blue going around the iris. That's also cholesterol, high cholesterol. The body uses cholesterol to fight metabolic waste. You have to address this. You have a dark ring going around the pupil. That's a malabsorption ring. It means that you're not absorbing nutrients properly due to mucus plaque in the small intestines. You need to clean that up. The brain section right here is full of lymph stagnation or mucus. You see those fine lines leaching out of the pupil? That's called radix solaris. Indicates toxic tunnels of waste leaching out to other body parts and glands. You have a lot of genetic weaknesses. When you see stuff like this, these are lesions. Okay? It means there's a lack of energy flow in and out of the cell. This needs to be cleaned up as well. It needs to be strengthened. This right here is the middle back. You see, it's chronic. You have chronic lymph stagnation over there, lack of energy flow. This dark spot right here, okay, hits the prostate for a male, or for female it will hit the uterus. Right here is the penis region, and right here is the vagina region, depending if you're male or female. Okay, see that big lesion right here? That's a lack of energy flow to your adrenals and your kidneys. Okay, it's really bad. So I would use 2 kidney formulas, 1 kidney tea. I'll use an adrenal tincture and adrenal glandular. You have nerve rings going around the eye. That's due to weak adrenals. You see it here. See, weak adrenals. You have a line going around the bowels right here. Okay, it's called autonomic nerve wreath. This indicates weak digestion due to weak adrenals. Your bowels are chronic, to a chronic level. You see, the bowels are chronic. You see how it balloons out a bit on the ascending colon. Transverse colon is chronic. Descending colon also balloons out. So you have weak bowels, okay, weak bowel walls as well. You need to clean this up. Use the bowel strength tincture and the bowel cleanser. See, the thyroid right here is covered with the light here, but you can see it's dark because you have weak thyroid. You have the thick skin ring, that's weak thyroid. And beside it right here, the dark spot right here, that's the parathyroid, and above it here, the tonsils. You see the parathyroid is weak, you have weak bowels, weak bowel walls. Okay, parathyroid is what makes your calcium, leads to varicose veins, spider veins, depression. All this is weak due to weak parathyroid. You need to fix it. Okay, tonsils are right here. Tonsils are control, will eliminate waste, help eliminate metabolic waste from the head region and convert it to lesser acids and sent to the kidneys to be eliminated. We need to fix this as well. The brain section is really prominent, full of acids. Okay, you can see full of lymph stagnation. This needs to be cleaned up. Use the brain tincture.